Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add notes to your Pinterest board. So you are just going to click on your profile so you can see like your boards. And for instance, you want to take notes like on a board. So select the board you want to take notes on. For instance, this one. Then press notes. As you can see, I have no notes on this board yet. Pinterest notes are your board's workspace. You can use the notes to round out pins you want to try, write a to-do list, or jot down anything else you want to remember. Press create your first note or this plus button on the top right corner of your screen. For instance, this board is about Disney, so I'm just going to write Disney movies to watch. You can even have a to-do list or add an idea. For instance, I'm going to write down the movies I should watch. I mean, I've watched all of it, but this is just an example. Oops. You can even add a pin there from the board and then press done. And then after that, you are just going to press done. And here, now you'll have the notes on the board. And to find it, you're just going to select notes again and it's going to be there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!